Hello guys, this is Karthik Dubey from the team of TriviaPay, and today I'll be showing you a blockchain based payment organization project. Okay, it's basically a payment organization, a React application that is built over the Algorand network to perform all the transactions over the Algorand network. So let me show you first of all the code reviews. This is the whole code. Okay, this is all made up of in MERN. The backend actually contains the deployment and the smart contracts signing script. So this is the particular script where all the transactions that would be performed will be signed through this ERC4 contract, and all the contracts that would be signed and will be performed over the Algorand network. And let me show you the TriviaPay. Okay. Oh, just wait a sec. I need to connect it to the Algo wallet. And this is basically, it includes all the stuff, that is the dashboard, deposit, scan and pay feature for quick transfers or the quick transactions whenever needed. Like you know that there's a lot of issue when you just copy and paste all those 58 characters, so it's like a kind of hectic task. So we made it easier for the users. So let me just quickly connect the wallet. Okay, so as you see, I've connected and I'm having currently 18.963 algo in my wallet. These are all the test tokens. And let me show you all the features. First, scan and pay feature. Okay, I currently don't have the second device right now, so that would be, I guess I won't be able to show you, but still it works. Basically what it does is it has a Python script included that generates a QR just based on this encoded the wallet address. And when you scan it through this option, it just generates the receiver's address, Algorand address, and then you can simply fill up this amount and whatever note you wanna say, and you can send. So I will also show you the transaction. I will also do a test transaction in this video and just show you. So just quickly, let's copy one of my friend's address, and the screenshot of the transaction that would be received over there will be attached later on this while editing. Okay, so let me show quickly. Here I go, refreshed. As you can see, the balance is updated and it is also mobile responsive. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here. Okay, let's go to scan and pay, scan QR, put the character here. I guess one would be enough. Let's say test token transfer. Okay, let's quickly send, and once it's approved, you'll just see the attached you'll just see the attached screenshot just on the right side. And as you can see here, we've got the transaction confirmation pop up. Let me confirm. Okay, it's processing. Yeah, it's done. Let's go to the Algo Explorer. This might be some issue from the Algorand side. Let me show the transaction. As you can see, there's a transaction that has been entered in the Transaction Explorer, and we're fetching the data from there only. Okay, and the payment of one algo is transferred, and as you can see, there's a screenshot attached on the right side, and here we received the amount. Okay, so that is all, and the balance is updated, and there are a lot of features such as deposit. You can also deposit the amount from the escrow. Bill split, that uses the same. You can add a bill and send it to all your fellow teammates or whatever the colleagues you're sharing the bill with, and that would send simply a pop-up message to them to pay the amount, and that would be shared in the single pool, and all of them, once paid, will be received in your wallet. Moving on to the second feature is payment tracker. You can also see that what amount of bills you have, how many of them have paid, or whatever the pending bills you have. Moving on to goal, you can also add the goals here, such as I need to wanna buy a laptop, which is about cost 20 algo, I guess. You can select the, let's see, okay, great goal. So you add the 20 algos, and you can allocate the amount of algos you wanna store, just like a savings. Okay. Currently this is some UI issue, but we'll fix it in the future updates. Okay. So on transactions, you can see the transactions here. I've done a lot of transactions later on. Moving to analytics, you can see I've done 38 transactions. Algo sent, it's not updated yet. I know why. Okay, type breakdown. I've done all the payments through this our payment automation tool. Is the data volume according to the dates sorted? That's a contact network, that this is you, and these all are the other networks to these are all the other wallet addresses to whom we have transferred. Wallet snapshot, we have till done. We have 17.962 amount of algos available. Moving on the settings, you have these options to, that's the app ID, escrow ID, and then the wallet address. Testnet option, you can switch from network to testnet to manage, and the other options is also a dark mode and white mode. Especially I like the dark mode, but still it looks cool in the white mode, I guess. Okay. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to be updated in this particular automation tool, but still I guess it works. And it's also set up on the latest algo kit used. I basically am a vibe coder, so I use the vibe kit to make all this project, and anti-gravity to perform all the UI modifications or whatever there. There's also an older version of TriviaPay that made me to qualify the second round. Let me show you. Yes, yeah, here it is. This was the older version, and when we updated, I did just change the UI event. Okay, thanks for watching, and sooner or later that would be the screenshots and all the editings will be added, and we are ready to go.